Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and we're doing an unboxing today for one of Beautometry's My Mani boxes. The information on how to subscribe and everything like that will be in the description box of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps me out. And your comments help me out too. And let me know what you think of the box and maybe what your favorite thing is. And I will eventually try out the things in this box. It will be like the second half of this video. So this is from November 2023. It says Forever Home. This is clearly going to be a dog or cat family kind of a pet-themed basket, I guess. Box, not basket. Basket would be cool, though. I just imagine, like, the postman bringing a little basket full of tidily wrapped things. That would be very much fun. All right, let's see what we've got here. MoYou London Cuticle Guard. Okay, so this is latex-free, which is good news for a lot of people. I know a lot of friends who haven't been able to use the brush-on cuticle guards because they are allergic to latex. So this is fancy. Let's see if I can open it up. Now I use tips when I do, or press-ons when I do my. I suppose we don't really need to see what's in here, or I'll get it open in some way. Hold on. Let's see if this is easier. Okay, no more. This is airtime. We're burning airtime here. Okay. These are just, I always talk about this, but I really love the way that they package these up. They're so much fun. What we here? Let us discover together. Okay. Femme Fatale. No, what's it say? It's not. It is Femme Fatale. Sorry, that is what that says. It's not really getting very sharp, but it is. And this is Fireflaught. Fireflaught? Fireflaught? Fireflaught. Any of the above. Any of the above. I'll have to look that word up and see. Holy criminy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, wow. You have got to be like, oh my gosh. That is, oh my gosh. Okay. Let's text this. And we're going to stop opening everything here right now because I have to see what this polish looks like on. And I'm going to shake it up. And I'm going to open it, and I'm going to hope I don't make my fancy paper dirty, because this is really just fancy paper I used to use. When I swatched various nail brands, I use these fancy papers for the backgrounds, but they work like filming backgrounds for me. I mean, come on, look at this. This is amazing. I can't even believe I'm holding this. It's like a piece of starlight, a piece of the galaxy, just in my hand. Okay. So, this isn't dry, and it's not. I think this would be a two-coater, but you see how directionally when I turn. Oh my gosh, look at that multi-chrome effect. Okay. So, this is just absolutely amazing. Okay. So, maybe for when I come back to try things, I'll have like a full swatch of this on a nail. But wow, okay. Sorry I had to pause the unboxing there, but I really, water slide decals. I love my dog. That's fun. Actually, these look a little bit more like stickers. But whatever, I'm sure they're fun on. You could see about making a nail with them on for the example. Okay, so these are cool. And we've got one more thing in here that feels like two more things. I'm gonna put this aside. so that I can open it. It feels like Christmas, and it's like actually close to Christmas, so it feels even more like Christmas, if that makes like any sense. All right. Now, I do have a video that will come out in the next couple of days about how you can do Christmas nails if you don't necessarily have any Christmas plates. So keep an eye out for that. So this is MoYou London's Best Friends collection. This is one of their newer collections in the past couple of years. And this is MoYou London's Holy Shapes collection. I think I started stamping 6 or 7 years ago. And this was a collection before, like when I got to know MoYou London, this was established. These are really helpful, like especially like, let's say this isn't a Christmas plate, but there's all sorts of stars, and you can do this in one color and then the outline in another color if you want to layer it. Here's another size of star. We've got a moon and a heart and all sorts of, and a cross. Just a lot of really fun things. So if you want, you know, to do some sort of fun Christmas nail and you don't have any Christmas plates, think about things like this. Okay. And let's see which one is this. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? This is number 7 in the Best Friends collection. I have to see if I have this one or not. These are so cute. I really miss having dogs. I used to have 3 dogs. I rescued all 3. A Brussels Griffon named Fritz, sorry. I don't know why Chris came out of my mouth. I wasn't even thinking anything but Fritz. Klaus was our Dachshund Papillon mix. And then Cleo was our wire-haired miniature Dachshund. She was red. She was great, but very, very shy. Anyway, so I will come back in a bit and I will kind of use these things for you, kind of show you what is up and how to use them. And I'm going to keep this for the giveaway since I use press-ons. But see you guys soon. Bye. Hello friends, it's Reza. I am back. This is the second half of the unboxing of the box that I just opened a few minutes ago. You would have watched me. We're still in that same video, but I am a long away. I am at least several days later. I don't remember when I filmed the first half of this, but I've had some remarkable stress and some a lot of cloud fog. What do they call it? Brain fog. Anyway, I've had some issues, but I did get to swatch. You'll see I had issues. Look. This is my realness. I decided to go way old school as far as my videos go and put on a couple of sets of nails that I did using this box. Now, there's a problem. I was distracted. I've been distracted all day. Things aren't going amazingly well, but in a funny way, not in a I'm sobbing way. So everything is fine. Don't worry about me. Anyway, so you can see that I put the wrong thumb on the wrong, this is how it goes. And since I photographed the thumb, when I even photograph the thumbs, I do them separately. I thought, you know what, that's all right. But there's more. But wait, there's more. Because this mani that I did with the little puppy dog that was like severed in two, you can see that doesn't really actually match up, right? This is the part about how I tell you about my mistakes. I show you them. This is what I do. This is Reza. Anyway, but I did want to see what I could do. I have been trying to work on a Christmas nail tutorial or idea video that wasn't about having Christmas plates, and I thought this was a really good example. Like, so my preferred thing is Hanukkah and Hanukkah colors and blue and silver and general winter. But I thought, you know what I can do with the second plate from this box? I can do something really fun and very Christmassy. Except, you know what? This is from the other mani. It says eat, drink, and be cozy. So I will let you know that the trees from this mani I got from the Noel collection, number 20. And the cozy quote. Where did I find cozy and joy to the world? Maybe I just don't know. It's probably from some of the other Noel plates because I had those in my hand when I was trying to work this out. Anyway, I wanted to show you how that beautiful Fireflaught polish turned out. You know how this is just so gorgeous. And purple and green, I always really like that pairing together, so to have the iridescence just go like that is so fabulous. There's a little blue here too, if you can see. Anyway, I thought I'd do up a nail for you like that. I still have the cuticle guard. I'm saving that for the giveaway. And then I did another one with another image from the plate, the pet plate that's in this box. So I reverse stamped. And then I did the most interesting thing with this base color. I used 3 different base colors and I applied them all while they were still wet. And then I really like the effect that gave, especially since the blue is like a duochrome blue. I thought it really worked out. Anyway, and then the white flakes are, I think, from Familiar Polish. They have like a snow kind of thing. I will put that info in the notes, description box below, etc., etc. That will all still be there. I hope you like my Christmassy. I mean, this is like literal random placement. Like I was not trying to. I keep trying to show you the thumb. I was not trying to do anything amazing. I was just trying to give you an idea of, you know what? If all you've got is a plate of shapes and some red and green polish, you are covered. I really want to be able to save everybody money. Everything is more expensive right now, probably going forward forever too. Our grocery bill has raised 33% in just the past year or so. So I'm looking to help you all save money. And the boxes are fun, but sometimes you come upon a holiday and you don't have any plates, and you know what? I encourage you to be creative. Did I tell you about the trees in Noel Collection 20? I think I was also going to swatch some of these for you, but I think I have proven again and again that MoYou London plates are the creme de la creme. I mean, they're just phenomenal. They're always good. We had a shaky moment there with the first couple of licensed plates they came out with, but you know, like with Minions and afterward, like the DC, they were all awesome. So they clearly fixed the problem that was going on. And now everything they make, once again, is fabulous. If you have any questions about their plates or something in the box, just ask me, comment below. And do please comment below and tell me if you like the box. Tell me if you like my realness. Tell me. I hope you all have an awesome holiday. I don't know if I'll be able to make another video like I was planning in the next couple of days. Things have kind of exploded. But, you know what? Hope springs eternal, as I say from time to time. And I do hope to get back to you soon. And, hey, I'm drawing for that drawing tomorrow, that giveaway tomorrow. And Wednesday, tomorrow, I'm going to be drawing that winner. So everybody, good luck. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Next time, if you'd prefer, if you watch me swatch instead of like, you know, 2 pre-made manis or whatever, this is how I used to do the boxes. And this does take a little extra time, but like I said, I just spaced and I started creating. And you know what? I have to admit that was really fun. So do please like, do please comment, subscribe if you haven't, you know, join us. And I get videos done when I can. I don't make any bones about the fact that I'm disabled, and I do have some cognitive impairment with my fibromyalgia, and I am always behind on everything to do with the house, my channel, and just life. But you know what? I think a lot of us have that, and I really love this group because we tend to be really positive with each other. And you know what? I have an intermittent tremor. I still make nail art. I really like the nail art I make. And I really like the nail art that you make, that you show me that you made when, you know, when you watch one of my videos or something like that. So it gives me joy. So don't think that I'm like, oh my God, this sucks so bad, I'm having to make a video. No, I did literally just space after the first half of this video was filmed though. So I'm sorry it took so long to come out. I'm done. This is the Beautometry box. The video that I'm drawing for tomorrow is sponsored by Beautometry. I couldn't do this without them. So thank you all for watching. And again, have an awesome holiday season. I hope love and light comes to everyone. Gosh, I love you guys so much. Goodbye, friends. I often have a really terrible pun. But I can't today. I just want to beam, starry light into all of your hearts. Whether you celebrate the holidays or not, this is a really cool time of year. The cold and the snow and being inside and being with our loved ones and making sure that we let each other know that we're important to one another. I think that's awesome. And also non-secular. So I love you. Keep an eye out for my videos. Do the like, comment, subscribe thing like I always say a lot. I'm sorry. My call to actions are a little bit, wobbly. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.